This is some hard wood. What's up, guys? I'm Mike. This is the Great Outside channel. Today we're going over the Bahco Laplander, but not just this, so you're going to want to stick around. Alright, most people recognize one of these. This is the Laplander by Bahco. Everybody pretty much starts out with one of these. It's good for bushcrafting, good for home and garden, good for camping, good for hiking. You can cut pretty big pieces of wood with it. It's very reliable, very sturdy. You know, the Silky Gom boys are more expensive and they're a little bit better. But, you know, to start out, this is a great piece of gear. However, they also make this. This is also the Bahco Laplander knife. Now, this is very much like the Mora Companion. It doesn't have the hard edge for striking. However, it's got a better grip. The Moroccan has a really crap grip, and this is a really good grip. I really like this grip. The steel is actually better. I got my Mora, which was like the $18 version, the cheapest one that you could buy, and the first time I washed it at home, because I just wanted to try it out. So I sliced an orange or something, I forget what it was, maybe a peach, and yeah, had rust spots from that day on. Very disappointed. This did not happen. I've had this for quite a while. You can see it's maybe you can see that it's a little nicked up there just from using it. It's been a great knife. Now, my whole point is that these together are around $30 on Amazon. So that makes each of these around $15 a piece. This itself sometimes is $27, $28 when you're looking around just by itself. And a Mora that is comparable to this is at least $18 to $20. So now, just real quick, I use affiliate links. All that means that I make a small commission. I come out here and buy all this stuff and it costs me money. I'm not getting paid by anybody. So that's just my way of making a little tiny commission, like less than 5%, and it costs you absolutely nothing extra. It helps me pay for this stuff and grow. Also, if you'd like to subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it if you found anything useful in this video. Alright, just a quick demonstration. I don't think that either of these need to be demonstrated, but I'm making a video out here, so I might as well do it. So let's cut some stuff up real quick. Let's go ahead and grab this, which is not too old, and we'll make a, I don't know, let's make a steak out of it. How about that? Get rid of that over there. That'll do, make a big one. Fairly big anyway. Make a little 7-notch. Yeah. Now, normally I'd probably put this up there, make it a little deeper. And you have a temp peg. Pretty quick, pretty easy. Now, this kind of stuff, this is old. Clearly you can see that's old. Look at the chunk, it's not that bad. See all the nicks? I've been needing to do this. This is actually a little excessive, but I want to get some of those nicks better. There you have it. Bahco Laplander set, around $30. Not bad at all. You can pick yourself up a Speedy Sharp for 12-ish, 13-ish, depending on where you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. And have a great day. Stay out of the pandemic crap. Be good.